2004 Kia Spectra paint job. Alright, so I'm putting on the final layers of paint. This is first top coat. I went over the panel here with about 4 coats of Rustoleum 2-in-1 sandable fillable primer. Then I broke it down even further and did a automotive primer using that Rustoleum product, and I sanded it starting from 500 to 1000 grit, and then I had to blend in that, and I'm going to blend in down there a little bit as well. Alright, so here's the first coat. Got to move kind of quick here, I've noticed. Otherwise it'll blotch up on you. Got to do short strokes. It's a little bit and kind of go off the panel a little bit. Alright, that's the first one. Let me hit this a little bit down here. Alright, so that's the first one. Yep, it's a little streaky, but it's a tacker. I'll fill it in as we go. Alright, I'll see you on the second one.